Hey friends, Angela Welch, your local real estate expert with Eau Claire Realty. And today I'm super excited to introduce you to my newest listing, 3218 May Street, right here in Eau Claire's beautiful Putnam Heights neighborhood. But it's cold outside, so let's go inside and take a look. This immaculately maintained 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home has over 3,000 square feet of living space and offers the option for a 4th bedroom. I'm Angela Welch with Eau Claire Realty. Contact me today to schedule your private showing.